Have you ever wondered why do we snore? We usually breathe in air from our nose or mouth. This air passes through our throat and reaches the lungs. Normally when we are awake, our mouth parts like the soft palate and uvula which keeps the tract open. Moreover, there will be excess growth for some people. When they sleep, the soft palate and uvula fall back on their throat and blocks the passage of the air. Hence, when they inhale, the air hits these parts making them vibrate, which causes snoring. If you like this video and learned something new, please like the video and share this to your friends and family and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.